What's going on, guys? Money Man Jeff here. In this video, I want to share with you guys what $70,000 worth of iPhones looks like. As you guys do know that I've gotten to the next level. I've been doing this business for the last 6 years, and now I'm selling overseas. So here's some of the inventory that I deal with when I ship these phones overseas, just so you guys have an idea, because a lot of people ask me, hey Jeff, what's up with overseas buyers? I want to get their connections, but in order to have an overseas buyer, you need to be able to produce, quantity. They want big numbers. They don't want just 10 phones. They want, 100 phones and up type of deal. So in this case, this is what we picked up so far from an auction. So in this auction that we go to, it's not that we qualify to get into. It's just my boy. He has his connection. His connection does at least $10 million in revenue. So since he does $10 million in revenue, he's able to, give us hookup. Hey, look, there's this, quantity going for X amount. You guys want that? And we'll be like, hell yeah, we want them. We'll jump on it. So it's all about who you know in this life. But anyways, going back to the purpose of this video, to show you guys what we do when it comes time to do wholesale overseas. Now, selling phones in the US is great. It's awesome. You're going to make great money, but ultimately, your goal long-term in the next 5-10 years doing this business should be to ultimately ship phones to other countries such as Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, Dubai, Africa, Jamaica, wherever the case may be, to have an overseas connect where the phones are cheaper. Because remember, the cheapest market to buy phones is in the US. People come here from all over the world to buy phones, then resell all over the entire world. So when it comes to what we're doing, these are 20 iPhone 13 Pro Maxes. Some of the IMEI numbers on there, I want to protect that because they're iffy. But look, opening one up. This came from the auction. iPhone 13. I mean, they're brand new. Put this aside. So as you can see, we got 20, 40, 60, 80 phones. 70K worth of phones here, and we're going to ship these overseas out to South America. So I want to share that with you guys to show you that there is a bigger level in phone flipping. And phone flipping isn't just a little side hustle where we flip just 1 or 2 phones a day. When you scale up and you build connections, ultimately this business can take you to the next level to where you're making, hundreds of thousands of dollars based off a connection on the other side, right? So these are the phones that we deal with. As you guys can see, 13 Pro Maxes right here. I want to cover the IMEI. These are all 13s. They're all right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here's that one that belongs here in this lot. And that's how we do it, boys and girls. This is how we flip phones at a professional level. You want to make real money? This is where you got to be at. Get with me on the phone flipping business. If you're interested in learning more on how to get started, remember, you're not going to be at this level immediately, but work your way up. Start at $50 and hell, 5 years on the road, you can start out. You can say, hey, I started out with 50, 100 bucks, and now I'm making, 100 to 200K a year just off flipping these phones consistently. So guys, help this motivate you. This could be you. Stick to the plan. Don't abandon it. Phone flip, phone flip, phone flip. Stay consistent. The money's out there. There's no reason for you to have a 9-to-5 job. I'm showing you proof that if you put the work in, you can make something better of yourself. You don't need to be like one of these guys working inside a restaurant while I'm chilling outside. What is it? Today's what? Tuesday, Wednesday? Job? I'm hanging out every day. But anyways, this is what we do, guys. Interested in learning more about phone flipping? Click the link below and book a call with me. Let's get you started. Stop being lazy. Stop looking for excuses. Let's get this money. It's out here. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and then you can thank me later. Take care.